So this is a part 2 of the half a step back meditation technique. In the first video, we're talking about the very technique itself, how it functions and how to use it. In this video, I'm sharing with you my journey of the technique, how the technique came to me and how I used it to get completely rid of my anxiety. So if you have not watched the first video, I urge you to go and watch it. Link in the description. We're also going through the technique there together. And let's enjoy this video. I really mean it when I say that it was with this technique that I got completely rid of my anxiety. You see, before in my life, I had so much anxiety. I could not walk out of a door without crying. I had panic attacks every week, 5 times a week, something like that. And when life gave me this practice, I had just discovered meditation. This is between Christmas and New Year's, back in 2019. I went to my friend who's a monk. And I was like, wow, meditation, it's so cool, it's the best. And he was like, you know what? Let me teach you this one practice, this one meditation practice. And then we sat down and he taught me this practice. And I took the core of this practice, which was half a step back. Let's take half a step back. And I just did it relentlessly. I did it all of the time. And I had so much anxiety. Back then, I was living a very dishonest life. I was lying all of the time, and life was very much not enjoyable. I lost my mom when I was a child, and I was missing her so much, felt so abandoned, felt alone. Life was without colors. And I just kept on doing this meditation relentlessly. I did it in the bus, I did it when I was walking, I did it when I was working, I did it in a moment where no one was talking with me, relentlessly. What happened? Everything got worse. Absolutely. Everything got worse. My anxiety got a lot worse. It was uncontrollably. These months of my life were with uncontrollable anxiety. It was so horrible. My relationship was about to break. Everything was about to break. I was about to break. But I just kept on doing it relentlessly, relentlessly. Half a step back, Jonathan. Allow, allow, allow. Feel, feel, feel. Feel, feel, feel is the way of heal. Right? That's how you remember it. Go into the yin, that's also a good one. Why did everything get worse? Because I was finally allowing it, right? So if you're doing this and you're like, Jonathan, but now everything is worse. Yes, and that's a good thing. That's actually a good thing. Because it means you're finally allowing all of that you have hidden away from yourself, that you have pushed down, all of that part of you that, I can't feel this is unbearable. Means that you're finally allowing it, so everything will get worse for a time being. Just keep to it. Take half a step back and just allow and feel and feel and feel. And of course, be in your breath. Be in your breath as much as possible, but it's super difficult in the beginning. Of course, that's how it is. Just keep on doing it and be kind to yourself. I had 3 months with this. 3 months with uncontrollable anxiety. I was dying. And on the night of my mom's birthday, I got a panic attack. And that was a panic attack like I have never gotten before. I was unable to move. I just laid in my bed and I was like, okay, Jonathan, half a step back, just allow, 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 allow. And then in that moment, I just saw it. I saw all of the things that gave me anxiety. I saw my relentlessly missing of my mom. I saw everything. And I chose in that moment to stop giving it any importance. Forgiving, you could say. I was like, well, this is bringing me so much pain. I will let go of it. I will forgive. And I did. And I forgave it. And I was having so much anxiety. When I woke up the next morning, I had no anxiety. No anxiety. And I was like, what the fuck is going on right now? Like, what the fuck is happening here? This can't be right. I did not know how that feeling was. I was looking around the corners. I was like, the anxiety is coming like in a moment. It has to come around the corner. And the day went by and it didn't come. And the next day, the next morning came and it didn't come. 3 days without an anxiety. Then when I got an anxiety again, I was like, poof, overwhelming anxiety. But this time, because I had a calm mind, I was like, whoa, this is what is giving me an anxiety. And I could point to that exact thing that was giving me an anxiety. And then in that moment, I chose to conquer my fears. And I chose to go into it. And that is how I have completely gotten rid of my anxiety. I don't have an anxiety anymore. When I do have a little anxiety, because it's human to get a little anxiety here and there. When I do, it's not overwhelming. And I just sit with it. And I'm like, oh, Jonathan, you're in a moment of difficulty right now. Let's just sit and be together on this. You see how this practice is not only a meditational practice, it's a practice of you becoming your best friend. And the best thing happens is that when you have practiced this a lot, you no longer need to take half a step back, because there's no longer any emotion that can overwhelm you. There's no longer anything in life that can overwhelm you. So you can be completely in it and still allow everything to flow. That is the beauty of this wonderful, beautiful, half a step back meditation technique. If you want to learn about traditional meditation, sitting and everything, watch this video. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Be happy.